Are you Muslim, sir?
Yeah, I'm Muslim, sir.
So please explain to me, based on the Quran, how do women have the same value as men?
Well, to be started, Islam is the first religion to give rights to women. No Christianity, no Judaism. Islam is the first.
Did you listen to my question, sir?
Yeah, you said.
I'll
everyone has
repeat
the
my
same
question.
rights.
I'll repeat the question.
Yeah.
What in the Quran tells you that women have the same value as men? What in the Quran? The answer should begin something like surah, something, ayah, something. That's how it should begin.
I don't really know the ayah, but I'm telling you.
Please tell
I'm
me.
telling you. I don't really know the
You don't
ayah.
have to quote me the ayah, but quote the verse. Which one?
Okay. Why are you Christian?
I am.
Okay, when did the Bible? No, the Bible
No.
said that the woman is the same.
You
don't have the.
I will.
Okay,
I
give it to
will.
me.
But let's focus on the question I've asked already.
I know it's mentioned
In other words,
in the ayah.
in other words, the same issue, the same mental ailment, and he doesn't have an answer either. The same issue, sir.
I don't know the ayah, but it's there.
Where? Tell me roughly. You don't have to quote
I
me.
don't know the ayah,
Good.
but
Please
it's
listen
there.
to me. Please listen.
Have you read the
Please,
Quran?
I have multiple times.
Yeah.
Please listen to me.
Okay.
You don't have to quote me right now. I understand you don't remember these,
I don't know,
the
I don't
reference.
remember.
That's
Yeah,
fine.
I don't remember
But give me the rough idea. What rough idea have you read in the Quran which tells you that women have the same value as men?
We have the same value, but we have different rule genders.
Excuse me, sir. Please listen to me. The question is not your ideas. You may lie all your. I know.
Don't lie.
One second, please. I know. One second. Islam
Yes.
religiously
Yeah.
allows you to lie.
Yeah.
I completely understand. You know Taqiyya.
allow me to
Please
lie.
listen.
Don't
Please
allow me
listen.
to
Please
lie.
listen.
What
Please
are you
listen.
saying?
Please listen.
Please
Please
listen.
listen.
Islam allow me to lie.
Please,
Doesn't
please.
allow me to lie.
I'm
No, doesn't allow me to lie. Don't say that.
one
Don't say
second.
something like that.
Taqiyya. Have you heard the word taqiyya?
Taqiyya, yeah.
Good. That's lying. Religiously sanctioned lying. Islam allows religiously sanctioned lying.
Okay,
One second.
okay, I have a
And here is where,
question.
and
I have a
there,
question
one, no.
I have a question
And
for you. No, I
therefore,
have a question for you.
therefore, I am not asking you for your opinion because you can lie through and say that is opinion.
Okay.
I'd like to find out what the Quran says.
Okay, I
Tell
would
me
like to
once.
find out- No, listen.
Tell me something from the Quran which helps you understand that women have the same value as men. Something from the Quran.
Indeed, the Muslim men and Muslim women, they believe in men and believe in women, the audience man and audience woman, the truthful man and the truthful woman, the patient man and the patient woman, the humble man and the humble woman, the charitable man and the charitable woman, the fasting. This is God comparing men to women. They are the same. They are the same value.
Excuse me, sir. Wait a second. Whoa, 1 second. So are you saying merely because the word women has appeared multiple times in a verse, they both have the same value?
Look, they have the same values. The same values here. They share the
Please
same values,
explain.
man and woman.
Explain.
Yes, they share the
So
same value.
there are Muslim women, Muslim men, and so.
And
Okay,
so-
let me.
I have a question. for you.
Maybe I'll
Ask me
clarify.
the question. Ask me the
No.
question. No. I have a question
No.
for you.
Maybe
I
I'll
have a question
clarify.
for you. I have a
Maybe I'll
question-
clarify.
I have a question for
One
you.
day.
I have a
1
question
minute.
for you.
1
I
minute
have a
different.
question for you. Listen.
I can clarify.
I have a question for you.
Excuse me, sir.
I have a question for you. sir.
You didn't finish my previous
I have-
question.
I asked
You
you the
didn't finish.
question. Can you answer
You
my
did not.
question?
You did not.
You are scared of me
You
right
did
now.
not.
You're scared of me right now.
Look,
You're
I am
of
not
my
scared of
question.
anything.
Okay, listen to my question. Listen to my question.
I'm going to clarify.
If
I'm going to
Jesus-
clarify.
That's God.
I'm going to clarify.
Does Jesus,
Now,
is Jesus the Son
I
of
did
God?
not say.
Is Jesus the Son of God?
Excuse me, sir.
Is Jesus the Son
I
of God?
am going
Answer
to
my question.
clarify.
Answer my question. Is Jesus
Okay.
the Son of God?
Please listen to me.
Oh, listen to me, you.
I did not
Jesus
say
the Son
there
of
is
God.
no such
Is
thing.
Jesus the Son of God?
Excuse me, sir. Please
And give
listen.
me proof for it.
Please listen.
Give me proof for it.
I did not.
You don't have. You don't have
Okay.
proof.
Okay.
You don't have proof.
Are you going to
Look,
listen?
you're so ignorant. I cannot.
Yeah,
Look,
good. Thank you very much.
No,
You're on
scared
record.
of me. You're scared of me. Just tell me.
Terribly, terribly.
Jesus is the Son of God.
Terribly.
Jesus is the
Good,
Son of God.
terribly. All right.
Give me the proof of Jesus, Son of God.
Hello,
You don't
my
have
dear
an
friend.
Answer, man.
Hello, my dear friend. I did not ask.
You don't have an
I did not
Jesus
ask.
the Son of God. Is Jesus the Son of God?
I
Give me
did.
proof.
Excuse me,
You don't
sir.
have proof.
I did not ask if there are Muslim women or not. That's not the question. So you can't show me just a verse which refers to Muslim women and claim that you've made a point. Merely showing a reference to the term Muslim women doesn't mean they carry the same intrinsic value as Muslim men. The very fact that the term Muslim women shows up in the Quran only means they exist. To establish that they are of the same value as the men, you need to progress further Give more details. You're a Muslim, sir. So please clarify. Please help me understand how Muslim women are of the same value as Muslim men. Generally, how women are of the same value as men. Clueless, like always. Same thing. How old are you, sir? How old are you? 20 odd? Suddenly we become mute. What's going on? What have I told you? What? Please, but don't touch. Don't. Yeah, please.
One chicken curry, one Pepsi.
Same. Muslims would be willing to even play the fool, but will never betray Islam. The mental illness is so ingrained, so deep. So deep. You come back. You were here earlier, weren't you? No? Okay, so you're new. Please come. Are you Muslim, sir?
I don't want the camera.
Yeah, I'm not saying you want the camera.
Or you're a preacher. Preach.
Excuse me, sir. Why are you afraid already?
No, because you
Why are you angry and afraid? Why? Are you Muslim?
No, you talk about.
How old are you?
What do you want to know that?
Well, 30 odd years old. Why do most Muslims, adults, show up here? The very first time I say hello, they already are terrified. Why?
You're very scary.
Really? Yeah. Good, thank you. That's good. That's good effect. Muslims need to really be scared of questions. Now, I wanted to say a joke a while ago. When a Muslim meets the first question, what do they become? Any idea? This is a joke. When a Muslim faces the first question, what do they become?
Chicken biryani.
Chicken biryani?
Yeah.
No, wrong answer. But roughly there. Any other answer?
Chicken masala.
Chicken masala, wrong answer again. When a Muslim meets the first question, faces the first question, you know what they become?
Chicken biryani.
Muslims. Not chicken, but mouse. Muslims. So, face a question, they run away. Which is not good. It reveals the depth of the mental ailment.